Hello guys, welcome back to an app. For today's video, here I'm going to show you or discuss with you how to apply for jobs on InstaWork app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're wondering how to exactly do so, well, this one is really easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the app and log in into your account, and obviously you need to upload your resume here and basically complete the information that they need from you. Now, in this case, the first thing that you want to do is in your homepage, you want to go and scroll down a bit until you see a section here that says apply for jobs or apply for more jobs. Now, in this section, you should see a number of posting here. Depending on your resume, the recommended jobs may be different. But in this case, you go and just choose one that you want to apply for. So just click on it. Then on the next page, it's going to show you this UI here. Now, what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you are good with the following shifts that is available right now. If you want to apply for it, just click on apply now. And on the next pages, you just need to fill out all the necessary information they need for you. And yeah, complete all the information they need from you and you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len up. Thank you for watching.